Good day, everyone. We are the Group 9 and our research is entitled A Study on Senior High School Learners' Attitude Towards Activism. We choose this topic because we think it is timely. We observe that a lot of people, even the senior high school students, are aware with the current events and political issues that concerns them with the use of media. And this study is conducted by the following: Martiro Rambanesa, Besa Eliza Lane, Rizano Angel, and by truly yours, Office Eliza. Introduction. Activism can take a wide range of form from writing letters to newspapers or politicians, political campaigning, economic activism such as boycotts, or preferentially patronizing businesses, rallies, street marches, strikes, sit-ins, and hunger strikes. According to Hans Day 2011, activism examines the transformation of politics through digital media, including digital television, online social networking, and mobile computing. Activist is to influence people's views and opinions so as to achieve the ends sought for social, economic, and just enhancement of society. So many of us would not call ourselves activists. There are many assumptions about what activism looks like. Not all of us can risk getting arrested and attending protests. But that doesn't mean we are not activists. Writing letters to political leaders, organizing a sit-in, boycotting certain products and businesses are all forms of activism. Even if we do it small, microactivism is super important because it can and does lead to macroactivism. Social movements take time to grow and gain strength, so every little step counts. Researchers aims to determine the student's attitude towards activism. What are the reasons for being an activist of a student and how activism affects their relationship to their family and friends. And the result of this hopes to serve as a guide to determine the impacts of activism to their lives and give information to other students and future researchers as well.
Statement of the problem. This study specifically aims to answer the following questions. Number 1. What are the identified reasons which lead the participants to being an activist? Number 2. How are the following factors affected by the participants' decision to join with or to be an activist? A. Relationship with family. B. Relationship with friends. Statistical treatment. The statistical formula will be used in order to answer the problems in the study. To answer the statement of the problem, 1, 2, and 3, weighted mean will be used. Formula: M is equals to F open and close parenthesis 4 plus F open and close parenthesis 3 plus F open and close parenthesis 2 plus F open and close parenthesis 1. N, where M stands for weighted mean, the summation of the weighted frequencies. F stands for frequency. N stands for total number of respondents. The following ranges with their corresponding verbal interpretation will be as follows. Likert interpretation, arbitrary scale. Strongly agree, 0.00 to 1.00. Agree, 1.01 to 2.00. Disagree, 2.01 to 3.00. Strongly disagree, 3.01 to 4.0.
The table above is based on the descriptive rating of every answer. The weighted mean of statement number 1, the government did not meet the people's expectation, is 2.67, which means the respondents agree with the statement. The total weighted mean of the statement number 2, when they did not receive their rights as a citizen of the country, is 2.32, and interpretation is agree. Statement number 3, the students strongly agree to achieve justice. Have strongly agree having a total 3.6 weighted mean. Statement number 4, to campaign in order to bring out political or social change is 2.93 means that they are agree with the statement. In statement number 5, the students agree when there are laws that disregarded the human rights. The weighted mean is 3.00, which interpreted as agree. The table above is based on the descriptive rating of every answer. The weighted mean of statement number 1 is you and your parents have the same political stand is 2.80. In statement number 2, the weighted mean is 2.19. The students agreed that if being an activist is in your plan, do you think your family will support you? The statement number 3 have a total of 2.41 weighted mean. If your family is against in you being an activist, will you pursue it? In statement number 5, are you convinced that there are some parents who don't accept their children to be part of that said activism? The weighted mean is 2.94, which interpreted as agree. The table above is based on the descriptive rating of every answer. The statement number 1 have total of 2.8 weighted mean. Is you and your friends have the same political stand? Statement number 2. The weighted mean is 2.51. Students agreed that if being an activist is in your plan, do you think your friends will support you? The weighted mean of the statement number 3 is 2.54. The students agreed that is your friends against in you being an activist? Will you pursue it? The total weighted mean of the statement number 4 is 2.80. If one of your friend is an activist, will you support him or her?
Conclusion. Based on the result we had, which focused on a study on senior high school learners' attitudes towards activism, we came up with the conclusion that they are agreed to the reasons that are given by the researchers, such as the government did not meet the people's expectation when they did not receive the right as citizens of the country to achieve justice, to bring out political and social change, and when there are laws that disregarded the human rights. This means that every student has a reason to be an activist, not just because it is trendy, but because they have something to fight for. It's either for themselves, but for their family and friends as well, with the help of any social media platforms. Researchers also conclude that activism has no negative effect the relationship of the students with their family and friends in terms of political stand. As we observe the data gathered, they are agree that their family respect their decision to be part of activism and respects each other political opinions. Recommendation: to make the data collected in this research to be reliable and informative to the readers, it is highly recommended to use a strong and accurate information that the researchers needed. It's either opposed or strongly supports to the results aimed by the researchers. Researchers also recommends the future researchers to use accurate and reliable theories as a stepping stone to the results that the researchers aim.